All right, I want to make a quick video on an issue I was having here with my heat and air. Maybe it's going to help someone else out. Basically, what I noticed was this outside unit was running and the inside unit was off. So I went ahead and I turned the inside unit off, and it was still running. So I shut the breaker off to the inside unit, and it was still running out here. So finally, I come out here and actually shut the breaker off on my panel here to get the fan to finally kick off. So this is where I shut the breakers off. Now if you're unsure of where yours is at, then shut the main breaker off. You want to make sure there's no power before you go to looking at this. Okay, so this is the panel that you have to remove. There's like 4 of these little 8mm or 5/16 screws that hold it on up here. And right here is the contactor. And what you're looking for to see if this is stuck down in the down position, and that in this case it was. So I had to come in here with these needle nose and actually pull this up, because it was hung in this position, so the fan was just constantly running. So if this happens, you can pull that up and I guess it will work, but it's more than likely to do it again. So we're going to go ahead and replace this part right here, and I'll show you the one that I have. This is where the part number is going to be, right here. So this was the part number on mine. You probably couldn't see it, but you want to take and figure out what yours is and kind of cross-reference and see what it pulls up. Now this one here I actually got from Ace Hardware, and it's listed as a C130A, but what matters is the voltage and everything there, and that everything matches up. Now the only difference on this one is that the contactor that goes down and comes up is covered by this little cover here, but if you take these 2 screws out, you would see it underneath here. And also the coil part is covered or sealed in here. But other than that, everything is exactly the same. And on this one, it's even better because these have this place to put your wire in, so the set screw can actually hold it better. I feel like this is a little bit easier. So what we're going to do is go over there and we're going to try to take it off and do one wire at a time, and just to make sure we don't get anything mixed up. But at the very least, you want to take really good pictures and make sure you're getting everything exactly the way it goes. So I'm going to get this 1/4-inch screw here, and this just kind of slides. Okay, so that screw out, and this should just slide up and out of this little slot right here. So it's actually got 2 slots, got one on the other side as well. So my idea is that I'm going to slip the new one down on here, and I'm just going to transfer these kind of one at a time. So we got our big bottom wires taken care of. Now we're just going to go ahead and continue on. I'm having to use a screwdriver to kind of pry these off. They are really tight. Okay, I only have the 4 wires on the top. Now, one thing that is different is that these up here had these fasteners where the screw's going through it, so I'm going to have to take that off and put the wire down in here and just use the set screw. And this is what this looks like. And to make things easy, I'm just going to clip one of these off and just put it down in there and use the set screw. All right, so there we have everything hooked up. Go ahead and get the cover back on. All right, so I'm just gonna get the breaker slipped on and check everything out. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna check everything out on the inside, but at least the fan's not kicking on because we don't have that stuck solenoid there or stuck contact. All right, so hopefully that can help someone else out. Like I said, I've replaced the inside and outside capacitor, the inside fan motor, and other things, but first time I've had this go out in 16 years. So anyways, not too bad. But that's going to do it for the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.